Now I'm going to do a big mess test with this Hoover Power Max vacuum cleaner. First I'm going to make a big line. First I'm going to make a line of shame. Let's see here. Well, it appears to be this vacuum is still working, and we cannot leave this power mess lying around. No, sir. Let me clean all this dirt. Let me vacuum all of this so my mom and dad wouldn't find out. Yeah, okay. I'll put the vacuum on normal speed. Well, according to that performance, so this vacuum does very well on pet hair or dust or whatever it is you're trying to vacuum. Thanks for watching the Hoover Power Max's big mess test.